Vanhu vobuda panguva ino vachiti bye ed bye pamusoro pechitiko chakasiririsa kwazvo zvatoona kuti even maadvocate vanafadzai maere vakatobvudza vanaNick Mangwana kuti what kind of summit inoonekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika anoadresa in vernacular. Sana mina mashoko nemakosi panapa vanhu avakataura vachiti the Zimbabwean leader must now go, not subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muchenjeri tinobuda achiti Mnangagwa now needs to rest. If he had people who genuinely care about him, they would not let him carry on like this. Vanoposta video ramuri kuona rekuvipos panoonekwa achideliver a speech in Shona aitaura my wartime experiences. Vana panoitira mberi vachiti it is no longer just an embarrassment to him, but to Zimbabwe as a nation. He is clearly unwell due to old age. To imagine that some people wanted him to carry on until 2030 when he is like this. 5 years before then is clearly cruel and opportunistic. I have always said here that the president is 86 years old, not 82. He was born in 1938. It is clearly self-evident. He did not know that the national team plays home game in other countries. He did not know that there is no longer a passenger train service between Harare and Bulawayo. It is set to watch. Thomas panobuda chinyorwa panapa ari kusapota vanhu vachiti mutungamiri wenyika vanokuitei let him rest. Vanadvocate maere munoonawo again vachiuya vachikweshana naNick Mangwana vachiti what sort of Africa Education Summit was this, where the host uses their vernacular language? Who were the delegates? What language do they speak? What was the theme of the summit? What message is being communicated here? How this is relevant to education in Africa? Mashoko anoda pana pachibvunzwa pamwe nemutauri wemutungamiri wenyika vanaJoe Charamba vachinzi panapa takuda maleaders manyuwani just because zvamakuita izvi hazvina professionalism. Tudze mafungiro enyu matikudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.